Alright guys, this is the first time I'm gonna be actually into the Airbnb after customers have left. Well, also always try. And I'm gonna see a situation that it's in. And I'm waiting for the cleaner, obviously. But let's see. This is the first time I've never been here after customers. And it looks like, come and see. It does look like that it doesn't really need cleaning.
Just some dusting.
Just dusting. It really doesn't look bad. Let me put some lights on here. Wow. Okay, that's definitely interesting. Alright, well, let's see the backyard. Everything's good in the backyard. No snakes, check for snakes. I mean, it does look, you know what I mean? I need to sweep. I need to sweep. And that's it. Look, those guests are amazing. Look at them. They're like left everything amazing. Except maybe this. I'm not sure what this is, but I guess sure. That's perfectly fine. Wow. I don't know why those are here, but cool. But, you know what I mean? Wow. Okay, me and my buddy is gonna sit down to eat now. You can see the big sandwich that he's holding. But yeah, this is all just good.
Yeah, they also did.
What would the cleaner come here and charge me $80 to $100 for? I get it, it's the time. Okay, bed needs to be made. This needs to be washed. This needs to be washed or whatever. And that's it. That's really it. So this is because I'm trying to start a clean business, as you might already know. Oh, sorry, this is moved. As you might already know. And I'm trying to here, I'm waiting for the cleaner to see what she's gonna do, how she's gonna clean. She's gonna give me some tips and tricks. This is a very good cleaner. I don't know if she wants me to mention her in the video and give her some free exposure here in Jacksonville. She's a great girl. But she's gonna basically give me some advice on how to do this job, and I want to start with my property and take a couple of other properties, get some workers and some employees, some cleaners, and then gonna expand it, see how it's gonna go. Alright, well that's it for now. If you liked, that was a short video, but there was like really nothing here to show. So after a close examination, me and the master cleaner, I think 30 minutes, one person. The biggest thing is when you wait for the laundry. So you can solve that by, I just have like 5 different sets of sheets and stuff, so you don't need to do a laundry every time. So maybe say by 10 sets, just an example. And then when it's time for you to wash, you know, wash when 8 of them are, you know, whatever, dirty, wash all of them, 8 or 9 or whatnot. And then do a little bit of a deeper cleaning, so stay maybe 2 hours for one person, or 2 people stay an hour. But you know, you need an hour to wait for the washer and dryer. But I'm saying every time when you do once a month a deeper clean, maybe then do the laundry. And in the meantime, at least for this property, and this property I get it, it's just a 1-1. It's a small property. Jesus Christ, what's the line of cars? It's a small property. I totally get it. When you got 3, 2 or 4, 2 or 5, 3 properties, you know, 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, it's going to be very different. You definitely cannot do one person. But for my property, I think they charge me $50, which is fair because it takes under 1 hour. I think I can do that. And yeah, let's see how the cleaning company is going to go. I'm still waiting for the cleaner so I can learn from her. We just go to Walmart to grab a dustpan and a broom real quick. But if you like that content, guys, you all know what to do. Easy way to support the channel is click like and subscribe. Keep hustling, guys. See you next time.